Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Port Austin, Michigan, a lively lakeside town at the tip of Michigan's thumb. This community is known for its sandy beaches, outdoor adventures, and beautiful views of Lake Huron. Back in the mid-1800s, Port Austin began as a lumber town, and shipping played a big role in its early growth. Over the years, it has grown into a favorite destination for both locals and visitors. Today, you can enjoy everything from kayaking and fishing to exploring unique shops and restaurants in town. The harbor here is also a hub of activity, with boats coming and going throughout the summer. Whether you are here to explore the shoreline, enjoy the outdoors, or just relax by the water, Port Austin offers the best of Michigan's thumb. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Port Austin, Michigan.
Thanks for watching!